decided to do it for my book report is How I Nicky Flynn Finally Get a Life and a Dog. The four main characters are Nicky Flynn, Reggie, Old Alf, and Mom, which is Nicky's mom. The setting is in Charleston and Boston, in a one-bedroom apartment, which is in Charleston, and at school, which is in Charleston too. The theme is don't lie, and sometimes you need to let things go. The problem is Nicky wants his life to be easier. And the solution is Nicky starts to bond with Reggie and finds a way to connect with his dad. Now you're in for a special treat. You get to meet the four top main characters. Hi everybody, I'm Nicky Flynn and I am a 13-year-old boy and I go to a very, very lame middle school. This is my dog Reggie. I got him from the pound a few weeks ago. He is one of our main characters in the book How I Nicky Flynn Finally Get a Life and a Dog. I used to really want a dog, but I never got one because my mom wouldn't approve of it. But my dad always wanted to get me one. This is a German Shepherd. His original owner was Old Alf. He's a guide dog, and Old Alf was blind. I take him on a walk every day, and then one day we're walking, and we run across these people. They throw a frisbee, and he runs to go and catch it. You see, they were playing bocce ball out on the grass where it said, no people or pets allowed in the grass. So what they told me is that there was this guy named Old Alf that broke his ankle, and this was all Reggie's fault. That's why he was in the pound.
My name is Old Alf. I am blind and I recently had a service dog that I took to the pound. Now some Nicky Flynn character has my dog and I hear Nicky is getting into trouble with him. No one quite knows why I took him to the pound, but just because I'm blind, everybody thinks they need to help me, and it makes me a little grumpy because I can do it on my own.
Hi, I'm Nicky's mom. I like to garden. I also like to garden with our neighbor. And guess what else? I also like surprising Nicky. So one day, I get home from work. I'm in my work outfit right now. And I told Nicky that I was gonna get us some dinner instead of making dinner at home. But really, I went to the pound and I got a dog named Reggie. I bring him home. Nicky does not like him or want him one bit. But right now, he loves him. He thinks that he is the best dog he could ever have. And Nicky is doing really well in school, but he is not behaving how I would expect him to. What up, y'all? It's me again, Nicky. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them to Capri, who is in the front of that room. And then you cannot ask the dog, Reggie, any questions because he cannot speak and he is a dog. Boom, it's true.